Mahmoud Ali Yossouf, chairperson of the African Union Commission (AUC, has taken significant steps to address the escalating political crisis in South Sudan. In response to rising tensions between President Salva Kiir and First Vice President Riek Machar, the AUC has deployed a high-level mediation team from the AU's panel of the Wise to Juba. This initiative aims to de-escalate tensions and promote dialogue among key stakeholders. On May 5, 2025, Chairperson Yossouf visited Juba and held talks with President Kiir and representatives from the Intergovernmental Authority on Development (IGAD). The discussions focused on accelerating the implementation of the 2018 revitalized agreement on the resolution of the conflict in South Sudan (RERCS), strengthening regional security, and guiding the country toward democratic governance. Yossouf emphasized the African Union's unwavering commitment to dialogue, reconciliation, and lasting peace, urging all parties to uphold their obligations under the RERCS. He warned that the current escalation risks derailing years of regional mediation and peace-building efforts. The African Union's intervention, in collaboration with regional blocs like IGAD and international partners, underscores the urgency of resolving the crisis and supporting South Sudan's transition to durable peace and democracy.